One of the most powerful features that version control systems have to offer is the concept of branching, and Git is no exception. In fact, the ease with which you can manage branches in Git is one of the big reasons behind its wide popularity. But what is branching, and why is it important? When people think about working on a project, they tend to think about it pretty linearly. You start the project, you implement your changes one at a time, and at some point, the project is completed. If you're ever on a project that works like this, you're certainly lucky. Most projects take a different tack. You get started, get the basics figured out, and then somebody starts requesting changes or reporting bugs. Maybe you change your mind about how certain features should work. Maybe you're working in a team and your partners are working on different parts of the project from you. This can all get really confusing really fast, especially if you're all trying to do that work in the same repository. Not only will commits get tangled up between all the different things that people are working on at once, but consider another scenario. You're in the middle of a big set of changes and someone reports a critical bug that you need to fix right now. What do? You can't commit the changes that you're working on because they're not finished, but you also can't wait until those changes are finished in order to try to fix the bug. Thank goodness for branches. Branches are kind of like alternate realities for your repository. They let you pursue different courses of action on your project in parallel. It's not hard to see where they get their name, although you probably start off with one trunk version of your project. As time goes on and things get more complicated, you'll start to branch off of the main version. Working with branches in a version control system can sometimes be a complicated, painful affair, but Git makes it really easy. In the next video, we're going to find out just how easy it is to create and switch between branches.